Grow your YouTube channel with these tips in 2024. Hey everyone, it's Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. Today I'll be sharing some game-changing tips to supercharge your YouTube game in 2024. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned creator, these strategies will help you stand out in the crowded world of YouTube. The first step in creating successful content is knowing your audience. Who are you making videos for? Identify your target audience and tailor your content to their interests. Try to think of a problem that your content is going to solve. This not only helps you create more engaging content, but also attracts the right viewers to your channel. Now let's talk about a crucial aspect, keyword research. It's a very important part of the process from the beginning. Utilize tools like Google Keyword Planner or YouTube's own search suggestions to identify trending keywords in your niche. This ensures that your videos are discoverable and rank higher in search results, bringing in more organic traffic. With your audience and keywords in mind, let's move on to writing a script and recording. I always recommend writing a script together and organize your thoughts better. When you have the script, record the video. Be authentic, engaging, and remember to speak directly to your audience. Share valuable insights and don't forget to ask them to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It's essential for building a loyal audience. Now that you've recorded your video, it's time to optimize it for maximum reach. For this step, obviously, you'll need tools that will help you along the way. Optimization begins during the editing process, which for you might have your chosen software already, but let me recommend another tool that you will find very useful once you have tried it. As a creator, you'll need tools to make videos with. Especially when you're just starting out, you'll appreciate tools that are easy to use. The UniConverter is one of those tools. I'll give you a brief run through as to what you can use it for. You can easily trim videos with it, batch convert and compress your video files, batch convert your images, use AI tools to remove vocals, reduce noise from or add voice effects to your audio files, add intros and outros in batch, generate subtitles and style them, and many more features that will make your video creator life easier. When your video is done, for final optimization, you'll need to draft compelling titles with your researched keywords, use relevant hashtags, and write detailed video descriptions. YouTube's algorithm loves well-optimized content, so make it work in your own favor. Sharing is caring, especially in the world of YouTube. Share your video on social media platforms, forums, and communities related to your content. However, remember, the first 3 steps alone should generate initial traffic if done right. Spend time reviewing your analytics regularly. See what's working, what isn't, and adapt accordingly. Pay attention to watch time, audience retention, click-through rates, and audience demographics. This data is a goldmine for tailoring your content to what your audience craves. Now the final step is doing the previous steps all over again to produce videos regularly. It takes time to put new content out every week, but remember that you can also repurpose your old content in the form of shorts, for example. This means turning a long podcast or talking head video into 1 to 5 minute long shorts and video clips. You can then post these on other platforms as well to reach an even wider audience. But that is it. Thank you for watching. If you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content and leave a like. I'll see you in the next video.